Hey guys, we all love the prop firms and the possibilities they give us to trade huge accounts. Today I'm gonna talk about how you can simulate a prop firm account by setting up your own account with 1/10 of the account balance. First of all, let's quickly go through the rules of most prop firms. I base this on FTMO, but competitors are almost the same. You pay a challenge fee and get an account with a bigger account balance than you most often could afford. The trick here from the prop firm side is that even if you get a 10k account, you are only allowed to have a maximum drawdown of 10%, which is 1k. Your goal is to make 10% out of the 10k, which is 1k. So in reality, you have 1k account, but you're supposed to double it in the first month by making another k. We all know that doubling an account in 1 month is super hard, and this is why most people fail the challenges. Let's say you have a plan where you risk 1% per trade. This means that you can lose 10 trades before losing the prop firm account. So if you have this prop firm 10k account and you risk 1% per trade, you risk $100. Again, we only have 1k, not 10k. So if we risk $100, we're actually risking 10% of the 1k balance available to us. Now to the purpose of this video. If you want to skip the challenge steps and benefit from getting profits directly and also not having to do a profit split where the prop firm takes around 20% of the profits, you could deposit 1k into your own account and then risk $100 per trade as you would on the prop firm account, and then have the exact same conditions as on the prop firm account. On a prop firm account, you risk 1% of the full account. So if you lose a couple of trades, you continue to risk pretty much the same on every trade. 1% of 10k is $100, and if you lose, you have 9,900 left. 1% of 9,900 is $99, so it only differs $1, and so on. And compared to your own account, 10% out of 1k is $100, which is the same. But if you lose, you only have 900 left. 10% out of 900 is $90, which is much less than 99. So for this to work, we need to risk a fixed monetary value calculated based on the 10k account for it to be the same. Easiest is to risk exactly $100 on every trade. Let's talk about the pros and cons. On the prop firm account, like FTMO, the pros are you have a 10k account where you actually have 1k available to you, but it only costs $177. So you only risk $177 instead of $1,000. The cons are you have to go through a challenge and not get paid directly if you make profits. You have to give away around 20% of your profits to the prop firm. On your own funded account, the pros are you have no challenge. If you earn money, it's yours from day one. You also have no profit split. The cons are you risk $1,000 instead of $177 as it costs for the challenge. Based on my own experience, you have ups and downs in trading. Even after becoming a consistently profitable trader, and by going for a prop firm account, it's almost like it gives you 5 lives, as you can afford to buy 5.6 challenges at the same cost as your own account that costs you 1k. If you lose your 1k account, you need to put up another 1k to get the same account again. With a prop firm like FTMO, you only pay $177, but you have to wait 20 days to get funded and give away some of your profits. So in my opinion, it's better to buy a challenge. When you have passed that challenge and are funded, you just buy another one. Then you do those side by side, the funded account and the new challenge. And if you fail your funded account, you have a new account waiting, as long as you don't place the exact same trades and lose them both. Another thing, risking 1%, which is 10% on a funded account, it's just plain stupid, because you will lose your account in just 10 losses. What I do is I can absolutely go for 1 to 1.5% risk once I'm in profits, meaning above my initial account balance. And I lower my risk once I'm below the initial account balance. Happy trading!
If you like this video, consider liking the video. Press the like button. Come on! And if you like more of this, then you subscribe.
Oh, what the fuck. Like the video if you like the video. Subscribe if you want to subscribe. And if you want to check out more of my trading strategies, for instance, you go to ftmoacademy.com where I teach you my best trading strategy, making profits month after month. I also trade live in the Telegram channel for all the students who have bought the course. And if you're more into trading robots, check out robertsfx.com, and I have put up a few of my robots there who made some decent profits, where Dollar Ninja is one of them. It has made 100, 200, between 100 and 200. It has some drawdown now lately, so above 100% in 1 year. So yeah, go check it out if that's your thing. See you in the next video. Peace.